Bench press, the classic test of strength. But for a lot of men over 50, it's become the #1 cause of shoulder pain. The good news, you don't need to give up the bench. You just need to change how you bench. Today, I'll show you exactly how to press safely, protect your shoulders, and keep getting stronger, pain-free. How shoulder pain happens. Shoulders lose mobility and stability with age, your posture, tightness, past injuries. Bench press can overload front delts and rotator cuffs if done incorrectly. Most pain equals poor setup, flared elbows, or bar path that stresses the joint. It's not the bench press that's dangerous, it's the benching technique that's out of alignment. The big problem, form and setup. Common mistakes: elbows flared out at 90 degrees equals shoulder impingement. Bar too high on chest equals strain on the front delts. No scalp tension equals unstable base. Correct setup should be shoulder blades squeezed together, touch and set, feet planted firmly, grip slightly wider than shoulder width, elbows at 45 degrees, not flared. Setup is where shoulder pain starts or where it stops. The key to protecting your shoulders. I do a simple routine for warming up before I start benching. It involves using dumbbells. I'll take a light weight, anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds, and I'll do 10 side raises per side. And then I'll also do shoulder rotations using the dumbbell, and also do 10 per side, and I'll use the 2 to 3 sets of that. Then I also will do some scapular push-ups, 10 to 15 reps. If you really want to squeeze your shoulders together when you're doing these, it helps build that base for a bench. These simple drills switch on the stabilizer to protect your shoulder joint when you press. Technique for pain-free lifting. First, you want to lie flat, eyes under the bar. You want to retract your shoulders, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Your grip should be slightly wider than your shoulder width, with your wrists stacked above your elbows at the bottom. You want to lower the bar to your mid-chest or nipple line. Your elbow should be 45-degree angle to your body. Press bar up and slightly back towards the rack. That's your natural bar path. If your shoulders get pinched, bring your elbows in slightly or reduce range. You're looking for smooth, stable movement, not grinding. There are some outstanding dumbbell alternatives if you can't bench right now. Dumbbell bench press is natural wrist rotation, shoulder friendly. Nutri-Grip dumbbells, your palms facing each other, reduces joint stress. And I do an alternating dumbbell bench press. It increases your stability and it allows you to remain under tension longer. If the barbell bench hurts, the dumbbells can be your best friend. You can get all the strength benefits without the pain. Exercise work for shoulder health. These are some of the exercises I use to keep my shoulders healthy and strong. Face pulls really strengthens real delts in your posture. Rows, I do cable rows mainly, but I also do barbell rows as well. These really build up your delts as well and build that strong base. And reverse flies, they also, again, keep your shoulders strong, really build the rear delts. Every press needs a pull. For every set of bench, do at least one pulling movement. That's the balance that keeps shoulders healthy. As talked about earlier, technique is key for the bench. So some common mistakes you need to avoid at all costs. You want to stop from flaring your elbows. You want to not make sure the bar is too high on your chest. Shrugging your shoulders. You want to not lift with ego. And not warming up, and poor recovery. You'll need to avoid all of those things. Pressing heavy without control is the fastest way to get benched by injury. Your mindset should be on longevity. Strength of 50 Plus is about building resilient joints, not just big numbers. Every good rep now pays dividends in your 60s and 70s. Train smart, recover harder, and your shoulders will thank you. If this has helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more 50 Plus strength training tips, and drop a comment if your shoulder pain has ever held you back. Remember, train for life, not to lift. Stay strong, stay mobile, and I'll see you in the next one.